I'll give you $10,000 if you fill this with water in the next 2 minutes.
Okay.
He should
The
have
timer
to
just
bring
started.
one
It
glass of
started?
water.
Yeah,
within
there's like a
2
restaurant
minutes.
over there.
Yeah.
Water, you said? I could really use this money.
You're curious, there's actually 10 grand on the line.
Do you guys have water?
I don't know if he's actually gonna do this. All right, he's got about 20 seconds left.
Come on.
Oh, there he is. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, I wasn't lying. Here is $10,000. Thank you for the water. I needed this because the brand new season of Beast Lab Swarms just dropped. If you put in the tube, fill it with water, and then shake it a little bit, it will reveal a brand new toy with the rust washed off. Battle Fusion Swarms are available wherever you buy toys. Go to these retailers and check it out.